What's up now, friends? Today I have a haul here from Glitter Planet UK. I have 11 little glitter pots here to share with you guys, and I'm just going to go quickly through one by one. So let's get started. The first glitter I'm sharing with you is called Laser Lights. This is a dusty pink, but it also has this cool holographic pink circles in it. This would be beautiful on its own in a full set or as a glitter fade. This one is called Frank. I really like this one. This is sort of a light purple and champagne mixed together with a bit of pink, making this sort of a unique lavender type rose gold. Next one up is called Rose Gold. This one is on the pinker side of Rose Gold, but it's so nice. I've actually used this a few times, and it pairs really nicely with a lot of different colors. Now these are really cool. These are the Holo Teal Shards. I have nothing like this in my collection right now, so I was really excited when I opened this up. I can't wait to use this in a mermaid set. Next up is called Galaxy, which I think totally looks like the perfect glitter for galaxy nails. It has pink, teal, blue, purple, and matte black glitters in it. Next up is Bob. The fine glitters are so fun because these can be used as glitter for sugar effect nails. This one's sort of like a medium blue with teal glitter in it. Next is called Hotline Bling. This one is so holographic, it's amazing. This is obviously high quality glitter. It didn't dull at all when I cover it with clear acrylic. It's just insanely holographic. Next is Rainbow Bokeh. This totally looks like those tiny little bokeh bubbles. This glitter would be super versatile because of its shapes and its colors. It'd be great in like a unicorn set or anything mermaid set or a glitter fade. Next up is called Mermaid Sharas. These are like the teal shard. This one is so pretty. These are kind of like angel paper that everyone uses, but already cut up in shards. Holo Bliss is a super fine holographic dusty salmon pink. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but these are actually really holographic. The next one up is called Pete, which this one I think is so nice. I'm loving the green based glitter. It also has some holographic and blue and hints of a lighter green in it. If you enjoyed this short glitter video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're planning to get anything from Glitter Planet UK, use my code NAILSECRETS10 for 10% off. Check back in a few days for a video on the Glitter Planet UK's chromes. Thanks for watching, keep your nails long, and your glitter strong.